This is a big one. This is a big one. That Repsol Honda is completely destroyed. Oh, no!
Miller and
Alex Marquez absolutely cleans out. Just 2022 just goes from bad to worse. That's a 6th DNF now in the last 9 races for the 2020. For another Italian. It could have been a fairy tale. Mamma mia, that's what they're saying in the garage. Valentino Rossi. Zarco's gone down and he's taken out Dovizioso. Dovizioso's gone down as well. Unbelievable. He's lost the World Championship lead at the first corner.
Can you believe MotoGP in 2020? He's furious with Johann Zarco. Incredible, isn't it? The championship will change.
Dovizioso can't believe it. It was shocking to watch.
The rear comes round on him. Watch him as he hits the tarmac once again. It's the rear. He's desperately trying to keep it upright, and then just as he goes over the curb here, the rear starts to crack. There it goes. And Alex Rins has got absolutely nothing he can do there. He is a passenger at that point, just praying at the right.
That was vicious. Tired, cooled down, that hurt.
Too much from the rear end, and poor old Fabio Quartararo, who was wide himself.
Quartararo, actually no tyre,
Like,
no rear
had
tyre
a
on
crash
the
like
rear.
that in a long time. I mean, I don't know what's happened, but he is really hurt here.
Well, it must have been a high side. Surely it's launched him into the air because that is a turn 7.
Up to second.
Whoa, Quartararo's down! He's down Dovizioso
I think
as well.
it is.
There's
Unbelievable.
fire from the Ducati.
Oh, what a dramatic start. Dovizioso's down, the bike's on fire.
Maybe the tyre air fence is on fire as well. It looked Fabio Quartararo too eager on the throttle through Stoke Corner, launched over the high side. Down he went, all the factory in the cat in the top 5.
Lorenzo, who was wiped out there himself by Andrea Iannone a few years back.
What an absolute shocker from Jorge Lorenzo. What was he thinking? He took out Dovizioso, he took out Viñales. Rossi's down.
Here's what happened there then. Oh
Wow.
my good, oh my God. Holy Mother of God.
Pedrosa now moves up into 4th place.
You know what, that was so lucky for Marquez because he lost it.
Let's look at the 16. Oh,
Under brakes, just on the brakes. Look how close it is. That Hayden Stewart.
it almost took him out. I mean, look at how much.
Into the curves, come on, Rossi's gone down.
Valentino Rossi
Rossi's gone down mid-pack. It's another disaster for the Doctor. It's a third successive DNF then for Valentino Rossi. Rossi then out of Misano 2, out of Barcelona when he was on course for a podium, and now he's been dumped out at turn 3 on lap 1 here in... Vinales and Bagnaia caught up in a tangle together, and Pecco Bagnaia on the outside has been clinged down. Can't believe it, head in hands there from Massimo Rivola. Well, we need to pick the bones out of this one because quite clearly they've got a difference of opinion. Now listen to that, hang on, steady on boys. It's all getting a little bit heated here. The adrenaline is pumping through their veins. Now that Vinales clearly thinks it was Bagnaia's crash. Bagnaia, Motor Prize have a completely different perspective over 1 year ago. There's contact, there is big contact. We've got 4 or 5 riders